Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani's Love. And today is going to be my first time ever beading a mannequin. Yes, I'm just as excited as you guys. And let's get straight into it. So I'm pretty much starting the makeup process with foundation. I'm not going to use primer because there's no skin. We're not like, we don't really need no primer. We don't need moisturizer because it's not skin. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start applying the makeup. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. I don't know exactly what shade it is, but yeah, I'm just gonna be applying a full layer over the skin. Now I'm gonna go in with a concealer that I got from Absolute New York, and we're just gonna apply this in the highlighted areas that we want to highlight. We're also going to be using setting powder to add a highlighting touch as well. But this is going to be our foundation, not foundation, our concealer base or highlighting base. So yeah, I actually got into this mannequin makeup when I saw TailorMade Jane do it. People have actually requested that I do this before. They were like, oh, if you're going to showcase wigs, you should do your makeup on your mannequin. I never thought about doing makeup on a mannequin, but then like once I saw like the mannequins with makeup on it, I was like, okay, sis, I see where y'all going with this. Yeah, but it definitely was like a little, I'm not going to say it was difficult for my first time, but it was definitely, a challenge. Not that the application was crazy or anything like that, but it's just weird because it's like nothing absorbs into the skin. Like you're literally just putting everything on top of the skin, and like it's still like move aroundable, if that makes sense. Like it's not like you beat somebody's face and it's kind of stuck there, So I'm just using Ruby Kisses to do my contour. I want to use a powder contour instead of liquid because, again, I want everything to be very matte. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. So now I'm going to be going in with my setting powder from Ofra. I'm just going to be putting that in all the areas that we highlighted to give it a more highlighting effect, and to also kind of set the makeup to keep it in place. We're not worrying about the skin getting oily or the makeup breaking up because, there's no oil, there's no skin. But still, you do have to set this because this stuff will get everywhere. Yeah. This makeup on a mannequin, like, is very, I'm not going to say it's messy, but it's messy. So now we're going to go in and do the eyes. I want to do something that's kind of neutral that will go with, pretty much any wig. Something that I could probably just pop a color on top of if I need to. But also something that will accentuate the eyes because I feel like that's the main attraction when showcasing on a mannequin. So yeah, I'm just using this this palette by Cosmetics. I'm just going to go in, kind of give it a shimmery look, and I think I'm going to do like a little highlighting on the waterline. As you guys can see, I left the setting powder underneath the eyes. I'm going to dust that off now. I like to leave that sometimes depending on the order I do the makeup, but I basically did that so I didn't mess up my foundation that I already did underneath the eyes, because sometimes when you do eyeshadow, the eyeshadow falls onto the cheeks and then you get this big mess if you've already done your foundation. So yeah, it's not good, girl. Make sure you swipe that off. All right. Okay. So next, we must give our dear friend some eyebrows. This technique you see me using, I did see from learn from TailorMade Jane. She basically kind of stipples her eyebrow with the paintbrush and then kind of fills them in with lines and dashes or light strokes. And I feel like it just gave it a totally more hair-like effect. I hate marker eyebrows, like markers that look like eyebrows that look like you just wiped them on with a marker. Like look at that. Like, yes, y'all saw that. Y'all see that. Come on, guys, just admit this looks way more natural than like just drawing a line and filling in the eyebrows. Anyway, now let's get into this blush because, we got to make your girl rosy. I'm just using a Cosmetics rose colored blush that I'm going to add to her cheeks for a little color. Oh my goodness, this is the hardest part. Lining the eyes it's the hardest part ever on a mannequin, because it's like it's plastic and it was just slipping everywhere. Even when I tried to use like a crayon pencil, not a crayon, like a kohl pencil, it just didn't work. The liquid pencil worked a little bit more, but it's like it's slippery, so you know, it's not skin. All right, now I'm just going in and using the same foundation from Maybelline Fit to just cover the rest of her body so she looks, you know, uniform. And she can slay when she puts on her new wig. So we're pretty much done here. You know, we got to add a little highlight and everything, but yeah, and some lashes, so we're not done. So I'm going to be using a red lipstick, a matte lipstick from Co Cosmetics, I believe. Yeah, I'll have to put that down in the description, but yes, we're giving her a nice popping lip. Actually a little subtle. We're gonna, you know, subtle this out, but yeah, doing lipstick on a mannequin is also hard because again, it's slippery. It's not like skin. Like the lines are very like slippery, but we got it. We got this. Now let's give sis a round of applause because she's slaying right now. And let's also give you guys a round of applause for making it this far in the video. I hope by now you've subscribed to the channel and you down with the Love Squad, so you know when we dropping that next video. Yes, round of applause. And yes, let's give it up for these bomb Menage lashes here from the Leilani's Love Lash Collection. Make sure you guys go check out www.leilani's love so you can get your lashes too, because as you can see, they're fire. They was too long, so I cut them to add bottom lashes, which is also a vibe. And yes, sis, let's get into it. Like, come on now. Y'all see that fire beat? You see it. You can't put on blonde hair without a fire beat though, just so y'all know. And you can't do blonde hair without lashes. So I got you. One-stop shop, www.leilanislove.com. If you guys want to get a wig or anything from me, I'm gonna leave all that info down below in the description. And yes, like, can we just get into that glow though? That highlight. Look at that highlight. She's beaming, but in a soft, subtle, beautiful way. Not like that cartoonish kind of glow. Sis is glowing. Yes, so I just want to like, let me bask in the moment. But like seriously, let me thank you guys so much for watching and tuning into my channel. And just share this with family and friends if you know they're into makeup and lashes and wigs. And yeah, and be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Leilani's Love. And yeah, just get into it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, peace and love.